And it looks stormy over there.
It does look kind of stormy, doesn't it? All right, you're gonna try to kick straight and see what happens. Here we go. Howdy out there, YouTubers. This is John Hampton.
John Robert Hampton.
And this is a
Yeah, it is sprinkling a little bit.
this is a video of a special kind this morning. It's Saturday morning, November the 18th of 2017. We're doing 4 things with this video. Number one, we're going to do a science experiment. Number 2, it's going to be a toss of the football video. Number 3, it's part of the weather bad series John Robert's working on. And then number 4, it's going to be also a father-son time for the week. So what we're doing here is it's kind of windy this morning, expecting severe weather later today. So John Robert's going to toss the football, and we're going to see if wind affects the ability for him to toss the football. Because as you can see,
It ain't that windy.
it's windy, but not as windy as it could be, I'm sure. So we're going to get started now, and here we go.
My hands on it this morning.
Here you go.
See how far I throw it on a windy day. Too bad.
So as you can see, John Robert's trying to throw it straight, and it kind of landed off to the right of where he's aiming it at. So the wind is kind of pushing the ball a little bit different angle.
Total of 17 yards.
About 17 yards, he said. So here we go. He's going to toss it over me this time.
Man, that was a long ball in the air.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see how it was twisting downward?
Mm-hmm. So it kind of had a little bit of twist in it because of the wind, didn't it?
I dropped it. I was trying to one hand catch it.
Do you want to try running it in the wind and see how that affects your ability to run the ball?
I was going to try kicking it first.
Okay, well, let's do...
I can stay on it.
Is the wind blowing it out of your hands too?
Yeah. It's pushing.
So we know that it affects the way you throw it. It affects the way you keep it in your hands. Now let's see how it affects the kicking of it. Okay, he is kicking it straight and landed way off to the left, didn't it?
No, I sort of went like that. What it was, I sort of kicked it crosswise.
So you want to try a second try at that? Is that again?
I throwed it a little bit straight. When I did it, sort of drived in the ground a little bit. Bounce.
Okay. So the wind has really affected your ability to throw it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So now you're going to try to kick straight, right?
Yeah, I'm going to. It's fine. And it looks stormy over there.
It does look kind of stormy, doesn't it? All right, you're going to try to kick straight and see what happens. Here we go.
I thought that hit the car.
It almost did.
It went, wide open.
And you notice how it went at an angle to the left, like a 45-degree angle when he was trying to kick.
Sorry about that much.
When he was trying to kick it straight. So we know it's definitely affecting his ability to kick the ball.
It missed.
It does look kind of stormy, doesn't it? Alright, you're gonna try to kick straight and see what happens. Here we go.
It missed the car by about that much.
Huh. So now you're going to try running the ball and see how it affects your ability to run the ball. Ready? Are you going to run it this way?
Probably gonna just slow me down.
Let's see. You ready?
Not necessarily, but I guess I could.
Here we go.
There's some guy running. No, you know what I was thinking about doing?
Running it?
See how it would affect me catching it. Throwing and catching it.
Okay. Okay.
It went sort of left.
It went sort of left.
I threw it straight and it went sort of left.
All right, you ready to see how it runs? How it runs? At least I hadn't had to make any sentences this time.
See if I can't complete my longest 17 yards. What the heck? You say it weird.
It's just one of those days the wind's going to take it a different way. You think this will affect the ball game this afternoon with Alabama and Mercer? All right, so you ready to run it back? Go.
It pushed me. I was running it straight and it pushed me over here.
You want to try coming from this direction? So you're going to try running that out towards the field from that direction now, aren't you? Huh?
Funnel or something right there. Funnel fly look like.
That's good. All right.
Yeah, it's sprinkling with rain.
And sun shining at the same time. You going to run it that way now?
I come from that way.
Go ahead and run it that way, over to towards the field.
I was going to throw it.
But you can do that afterwards. Or you can do that first, I guess. Obviously,
Obviously, my 17 yards still continues to break.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, hang on. I threw it right over there. Let's count.
Here we go.
Let's see how I do. One hope that I don't get blown away.
All right, here we go. You're going to run it.
I survived. It didn't get blown away.
So, was it affecting your ability to run in a straight line?
It was. It blew me that way, then come back and blew me that way, then it blew me that way.
So, a little bit of dialogue here at the end.
I promised somebody I'd give them a shout out, and that's my buddy from
Central?
some Central School. His mom's YouTube channel, Kathy Mason.
And the kid's name
He
is?
only has one subscriber, so go ahead and subscribe to him.
And his name is?
I can't give his first name. I just gave his YouTube name.
Okay. What was our findings regarding the wind when you're playing football?
It sort of blew it that way, blew it that way.
So it's harder to get
Yeah,
things
it's hard
going.
to get it to stay straight.
Yeah. So
See, I'm going to try one more time. See, look. When I do it like that, I just throw it straight. See, it goes that way.
kind of went to the left, didn't it?
Yeah.
So what do you think this would mean for people going to these college football games today here on Saturday?
I wouldn't really say much, but it would be have a hat or something to protect your ears, because you don't want to get.
And what about the players? Do you think they're going to have a little bit more hard time playing football today?
Yeah.
What do you think they need to do to compensate for it?
Just throw a little harder.
Okay. So on behalf of John Robert Hampton, this is John Hampton. Y'all have a good day and God bless.